Alright, I'm back. And this time, I'm going to be beating it. That's right. This is officially the long-awaited video. The video that everyone's been waiting for that's been watching my videos. To actually see me beat it. Now, I'll be honest with you. I have played this game a bit off video. However, it has only been to simply get me back into the groove. So believe me when I say this. Sans Undertale, you are light work and it's time that I beat you. Easily. So right there. So like this. Go right there. Honestly, incredibly difficult, and if I didn't know better, I would say, like, impossible to do with just 3 HP. Heck, that sounds like something I did say, but just a couple more tries with all this. Just like this, see? Still stink though, but obviously, this game ain't gonna stop me just because of that. Not as good as it was like 2 days ago, but yesterday, but I'm still doing pretty good. See? Oh my god, he's cooking! And just like that, he made it the entire first stage. No healing items. What a trooper, honestly. I've ever seen someone do this. Ah, shit, shove, hold up. Okay. Oh my god. This face is never felt nearly this easy. God. Oh my god, I was definitely about to die because I did not have my hand on the button placement. Come on, I got this. No, I stopped moving. You saw that, right? It's at the final part. One more try. 3 at the most, and then I win. This is about to be my second shortest video ever. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, not sure I took damage there, but sure. Ah, I didn't do that. Hit me. I try to go for something I'm not good at. Well, I still got this. I'll make it the entire part. The entire thing. It's gonna be easily done. If gassy blasters could kill, just from how scary they were, I'd be dead. Oof. Oh well. Like I said, 3 at most. I'm just goated with the flow. Also, I am going to quickly change the volume on this game. Because maybe for you guys it's not that loud. But for me, it is something. And I'll go ahead and raise it up just a bit. And I'll lower it back. Honestly, I did so good on the first part for that last one. Honestly, I wonder why he hates us so much. Like, he's acting like he's like killed his entire family. Like, why even upset? It's only killed like one person. That was part of your family. I wonder how I should deal with that. I mean, of course I could just deal with that. Why did I stop? It was perfect. It was so easy. I had it all. I had the world. And I failed. But I still got it. It'll be as easy as cushioning a baby's pillow. Don't ask me why that's the phrase I chose. Forgot that this phase can be messed up on somewhat. Ow. Just like that, I forgot the buttons. Hey, in fact, I'm still doing this good. It's pretty good. It's surprising. Alright, time to see if I can do that part. Yeah, see, it's just that easy. Man, what did I do to get through this stupid startup part? Start me up right with an attack. It'd be so much more better. Okay. 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 Don't hurt him now, Frisk. Yeah. Ugh. Just like that. That's what I've been meaning to do this entire time. Ah. Oh well. A little bit of imperfections. Don't go that way. Don't go that little way. Hey, that's pretty good. Yeah. Do, 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 do. Oof. Almost just died right then and there. But your boy got this in the bag. You should know, I ain't wanna be underestimated, yo. And I still don't know how to rap. A little bit of insight for you guys. Don't ever trust me when it comes to rapping. I'm still gonna try. Because it's in my DNA. Alright, yeah. I should have waited a bit then. Alright, I got this. I got this. Okay. I got this. I got this. I'm not gonna die. 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 What? Okay. It should still be good enough. Ugh. Hey! So that's how you do that part. Sweet. Oh well, that should be. Hold up. Okay, I don't have to immediately heal upon the stairs. Oh my god, I already used that healing item, didn't I? Wait, did you not? I was spamming the button right then and there. I thought it was so cool. I was like, yeah. This is really the one. The one where I'm quiet is the one where I lock in and I win. And no, it's not. Man, it really sucks when your mistakes make you do better. Testing, testing. This is still on. Right. Yeah! This thing's still working. I'm still kicking. Oh yeah, in case you're wondering what I'm sick with, it's a virus. Not corona. Not the C virus. A better version. Yeah, my body should adapt to. No problem. It's just kind of harder to dodge all of these. God. Okay, this should be it. This should be it. I see them to not be homing on me. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Die! And just like that, I nailed it. The video I said it would. Just as many videos as it took Merge to do. I'm just as good. Thank God I did it. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Get after you, you clown. Okay, talk to clowns. Yeah, smile it all up just because you did your best. And fall. One day, Sans, we'll figure out the reason of your red blood. But that day isn't today, because you're dead! Hold on, I don't believe this. 1 minute, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55. Okay, I guess it's not gonna do anything. Oh yeah, I guess I never did really do this. Some beautiful art. It's a beautiful song. You know, from a picture like this, you'd think it happened in Waterfall, this fight. Honestly, surprised that they haven't done that. That's probably what they're gonna do inside the newer version of Last Breath. Because remember, this is just a beta. And this will only get so much worse because it's supposed to be 6 chapters. But it's time you guys enjoy the credits. That way I can get some more views. Time. See ya. Alright guys, that'll be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. And yeah, I won. Peace. And remember to always smile.